study about the linear equations in two variables, a pair of linear equations in two variables. Here, we are going to solve the another types of the examples that is associated with the linear equations of two variables, and many other examples will also will be solved. Here, but we will take only one by one example so that we can understood and inculcate all types of the problem related to the pair of linear equations in two variables. And here is the questions. Questions is we will write first here questions. Question 1. Suppose that question 1 is given. Represent the following pair of linear equations. Represent the following pair of linear equations. Following pair of linear equations graphically and find find the point where the line intersect y-axis. Okay, here is the questions. Now let's say start the solution. Okay, so here is the questions. Let's x is 3x plus y. Here is 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, and the second equation is given here, 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so here is the given pair of linear equations is. So pair of linear equations, you will write here. So y is equal to first linear equation, y is equal to 5. It becomes a y, so y is equal to minus 3x and plus y, plus 5, minus 3x plus 5. Okay, this becomes y is equal to minus 3x plus 5, and here second equation, we can say that 2y is equal to 5 and minus 2x. Okay, y is equal to 5 minus y is equal to 5 minus 2x, or we can say that becomes y is equal to 2x minus 5. But it's so 2x minus 5, it becomes the linear equations. Now given pair of linear equations, now let's find at least two solutions. Now let's find at least two solutions of each pair of linear equations. Okay, let's graph first. Here try to find out the linear equations if 2x minus y. First yx and y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Okay, so y is equal to 5 minus 3x, we can say it's a here. Okay, so here is the can be converts, and then y is equal to 5 minus 3x. 5 minus 3x. Got it? So here we will get here, if suppose that we will take here x value. Suppose that we have taken the x value 102. So 102 value we have taken here, and in case of 1 for 0 or x value once, it became minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and 0 suppose that it's became 5, and suppose that 2 values 2 3 is 6 minus 1. What is 2 5 and minus 1? So we will get here 2 5 and minus 1. And the second linear equations, suppose that we have taken second linear equations here. and this is the x value and this is y is equal to second value. We will write here second y is equal to 2x minus 5. Here is 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. So suppose there's a x value, we will take here so 1 0 and 3. 1 0 and 3. Then 1 for the value of 1 so minus 3. And suppose that 0 then minus 5. Suppose that 3 2 is 6 plus 1. So minus 3 minus 5 and plus 1. So minus 3 minus 5 and first here. So point here we will write here a points. So where will be the points? Points will be A, B, C. A point will always be 1 and 2, 0, 5. C point is 2 and minus 1. And here is the point we got here A, C, D, E, F. D is 1 and minus 3, 0, 0 and minus 5 and 3 and 1. Okay, so 0 and minus 5, 3 and 1s. Here is we have got the points. Now let's plot a point on graph papers. Plot a point on graph papers. Point is given here and a paper and join them to get a straight line and join them. Okay, so suppose that we are going to draw a graphs. This is okay. Here we have taken here. Okay, so how many points is maximum? C is 5 points is maximum. So right here of 5 points. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 points. Take the 6 points. So here is 6 points. So 0, y dash, x dash. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. These are so right here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is minus and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is also minus and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is plus value. Okay, so right here draw here. So first graphs we will take here. So point A is equal to 1 and 2. Here is A is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So point will be always be 2 points here. Okay, second B is equal to 0 and 5. X is 0 and y is 5. So second value is here and B D is equal to 2 and minus 1. 2 and minus 1. So take here 0 and 5. 2 and minus 1. Here is 2 and minus 1. Minus 1 is here. 2 and minus 1. So it becomes go here and this point. This became 2 minus 1. Here is 1 and 2. Here is 0 and 5. Okay, 1 2 0 and 5. We have got here. Now join the lines here. If we join the lines, this meet you in this way. Got it? So this becomes straight line path. We have got here. Second draw here 1 and minus 3. 1 is here x and minus 3 is here. So take here 1 and minus 3. 1 and minus 3. 0 and 5. Minus 5. Minus 5 is here and 0. So it becomes second points. But it's 0 minus 5. Okay. Sorry, minus 5. Yes. 0 and minus 5. Y axis. And then after 3 and 1. 3 is here x and 1 is y axis. So 1, 3 and 1. This becomes So if we meet these points, we will get here. So that's these point will meet like this. Okay, this is 3 and 1. So here we will get here A B C D E point or E points. This E points becomes 2 and minus 1. Got it? This becomes 2 and minus 1 that intersect at a point 2 and minus 1. It's a 2 and minus 1 that intersect at same points. So 2 and minus 1s that intersect at exactly points we have got here and draw graphs and plotted here. So I hope that you will see these graphical representations well versed way. And secondly, second question, second types of the questions we will take here. So, question number second. Question second. Suppose that second question is telling that Aditya is walking along a line joining points. Aditya is walking along line joining point. Join point is given here. Joining points 1 4 1 4 0 6. Okay, joining points 1 4 0 6. Aditya is walking along the line joining points, and Aditya is walking along line. Here is the along line. Okay, along Aditya, along line the joining 3 4 and 1 0. This is the questions 3 0 and 1. So represent on graph and find a point. Represent on graph and find the point. Represent on graph and find the points where both of them cross each other. Where both of them cross each other. Okay, so point is given here. First of all, we'll select the points. Solutions. Solution. Let's point A is 1 4, B is 0 6, C is 3 4, and D is 1 0. So these are the points we have got here. So D is 1 and 0. On plotting point A and B and joining them, plotting point A and B and joining them. So plot here. Okay, these are graph 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7 5 6 7. So here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7 7. What is? These are the joining lines, and now we will A and B. A B 1 and 4. X is 1 and 4. So this is the 4. This becomes 1 and 4. And B is 0 6. 0 and Y is 6. So Y becomes 6. Okay, 0. A is 0. Here is 0. Anyways, so draw the lines. If we draw the lines, we will find that like this. Suppose that like this. Okay, that goes through 3 points. So it's became 3 points. And the second, we will draw here 3 and 4. X is 3 and y is 4. So it becomes like this: 3 and 4, and 1 and 0. X is 1 and y is 0. Y is 0 and 1. Second point is here 1 and 0. So if we draw these points, we will get here, so completely we will find here that it goes through 1. So here is just like that. Okay, so that intersect at point D and it becomes a 2 and 2. Got it? So 2 and 2 we find out because it's became 2 and 2. So here is the graph plotted. We have plotted the graphs y dash x dash and dash. Our answers will always be that intersect at point 2, 3. Okay, on a graph paper. So here is the questions and we have plotted the graphs. By means of this you can understand path that transfers both and plot and cross at point this. Okay, thank you very much for coming on students. Once again I am giving you my welcomes. Don't forget to say subscribe so that you cannot miss the appropriate videos. Okay, so thank you.